The textile industry is booming, driven by rising demand for comfort, innovation, and IoT wearables. But many manufacturers still rely on outdated machinery that limits quality and efficiency. Interface provides advanced force, torque, and weight measurement solutions. Retrofitting equipment with our load cells and force sensors unlocks real-time data to transform production. Inconsistent yarn tension can cause defects. Interface load cells enable precise, continuous tension monitoring, producing consistently high-quality textiles. Our sensors ensure accurate tension control to prevent fabric distortion, breakage, and damage. Interface solutions empower textile manufacturers to modernize processes, ensure consistent quality, and stay ahead in a competitive market. Discover Interface force measurement solutions today.